Imagine opening a smartphone and suddenly it becomes a tablet in your hand. Now imagine that phone having almost no screen crease, a 200 megapixel camera, and one of the most powerful processors ever made. Well, that phone is finally here. The brand new OPPO Find N6 is launching globally on March 17, 2026, and it might just be the most advanced foldable phone ever created. So let's break down why everyone in the tech world is talking about it. First, the display. When closed, the phone has a 6.62-inch cover screen, perfect for normal everyday use. But unfolded, and suddenly you get a massive 8.12-inch LTPO OLED display with a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. Scrolling feels incredibly smooth, videos look cinematic, and multitasking feels more like using a tablet than a phone. But the real magic? OPPO calls it the Zero-Feel Crease. Using new dome memory glass and a titanium alloy hinge, the crease in the middle of the foldable display becomes almost invisible. That means a smoother viewing experience and a more premium feel. Now let's talk about power. Inside the Find N6 is the brand new Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. This 3nm chip is designed for extreme performance and advanced AI features. Apps open faster, gaming runs smoother, and AI tasks like photo editing or smart assistants become much more powerful. But power means nothing without battery, and OPPO clearly knows that. The Find N6 packs a huge 6,000 mAh silicon carbon battery. That's bigger than most flagship phones today. It supports 80-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging, so even when you run low, you won't stay low for long. Now let's move to one of the most exciting parts, the cameras. OPPO partnered again with the legendary camera brand Hasselblad. The main sensor? A massive 200 megapixel ultra-clear camera. But that's not all. You also get a 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 50 megapixel periscope telephoto lens with optical stabilization, and even a multispectral sensor designed to improve color accuracy. Selfie lovers aren't forgotten either. Both the inner and outer displays feature 20 megapixel front cameras, so whether the phone is folded or unfolded, your selfies stay sharp. Now let's talk about design. The Find N6 is incredibly thin. When folded, it's only 8.9 millimeters thick. When unfolded, just 4.2 millimeters. That makes it one of the thinnest foldable phones ever built. And it's also expected to feature strong water resistance, possibly IPX8 or even IPX9 protection, meaning it can survive splashes, rain, and even powerful water jets. For productivity, OPPO is also introducing the OPPO AI Pen, a stylus designed for note-taking, drawing, and AI-powered multitasking on the big inner screen. It turns the phone to something closer to a digital notebook. The Find N6 will launch in 3 premium colors: golden orange, original titanium, and deep black, and the expected starting price? Somewhere between $1,699 and $1,899 globally. So the real question is the OPPO Find N6 the future of smartphones? With a crease-free display, a 200 megapixel camera, a massive battery, and one of the most powerful mobile chips ever made, this foldable might not just compete with flagships, it might redefine them. And when it officially launches on March 17th, we'll finally see if it truly becomes the king of foldable phones.